Okay, language explorers, let's look at today's Monday noun. So need, need, need. Something you cannot go without, as it is important. Vital, vital. I need it. I must have it. I need it so much that I will work all day for it. I need it. I must have it. I must have it. Yes. How cool is that? So, do you need to do that? Do you need to say that? Do you really need to say that? Do you really need to go there? Do you really need to go there? Really? And then we say needs. They have a lot of needs to fulfill. They have a lot of things they need to do. So need is one, singular, and needs, two, plural. Yes. Plural, yeah. So I need to keep an eye on this machine. This machine needs me to watch it. I need to watch this machine. And this machine needs me to watch it. Yeah, okay. Those people need me. Those people need me. I need those people. Whoop. Okay, very good. So it depends on its position in the sentence. So those people, so that's already plural. Those people need me, so that's singular. And I need those people. That plural is those. This machine needs me. In this case, it's a verb. It's a little different. Needs me. But we have different needs we need to fulfill. Different needs being the noun, and needs being the verb, something we have to do. Need to, actually even fulfill is the verb as well, fulfill. Yes. Yes. So there are different needs at different stages of the operation. Yeah, sort out different things at different times. Different things at different times. Yes. How cool is that? Yeah. So that was how they answered their needs. We had things to sort out, and that's how we sorted them. That is how we sorted out those needs and requirements. Yeah, requirements, yeah. How cool is that? So, this is what I need to do. I need to record this video and 2 more, and then I need to have breakfast. Yes. How cool is that? How cool is that? So we will know what they need soon. They will tell us what they need. I will get a list of things she needs soon. I will get a list of things she needs soon. A list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Different things. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, need. Something you cannot live without. Important. Vital to have. We have a need. We have a need for love. Have a need for love in our life. A need for love. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, need. Yeah, so can you write need in a sentence and put the sentence in the comments below, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, give it a like. More videos to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, and Telegram. Just look for English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too. Yeah. Just look for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.